Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, we will tell you where to find fabric, craft supplies, and leather supplies in Tokyo. My favorite place for fabric shopping is the Nippori Fabric Town. Look for the east exit of the Nippori station. Go down the escalator, turn right, go straight. Follow all the signages, and you will find the fabric town or the fabric street. According to the official leaflet of the fabric town, there are around 19 fabric shops on the street. The fabric town is actually a long street of about 1 km, and in this 1 kilometer, you will find a lot of fabric shops on both sides of the street. Remember to have a look of the piles of fabric outside of those shops. There are a lot of good stuff in those trays outside of the shops. I highly recommend you to visit the shop named the Tomato on the street. Tomato is actually a big fabric company that owns 3 shops on the street. You will find a variety of fabrics in the shop: cotton prints, lace, floral prints, and this one is the biggest tomato shop. I was so tempted to get this. This is so cute. Look at all of these Japanese fabrics. The price is reasonable too. Special denims and many other good fabrics. Look at all the animal prints. You can make your own suit. If you like patchwork and quilting, you must come to this shop. Look at this fabric library. This array of fabric is enough for you to make many clothes. You will also find handles of bags, ethnic fabric, tapestries, preserved patchwork fabric, and many more ethnic styled materials. Looking at all the good stuff, it's hard not to be happy. You will find Japanese gowns and kimono in this town too. There are also leather shops in the Fabric Town. And of course, printing shops that sell buckles and rings and supplies for making belts. Another shop that I really like is the Okadaya in Shinjuku. The shop sells fabric and a lot of different types of craft supplies. For some reason, video taping and photography are not allowed in the main building. I only managed to take some video clips in the fabric section. They have a lot of good stuff there. If you go to the Shinagawa neighborhood, I would highly recommend you to visit the Yusawaya Kamata shop. There are 2 shops on the same street, and one of the shops occupied like 5-6 stories. And it sells a lot of different craft supplies, including fabric, ribbons and lace, patterns, patches, different sewing supplies, buttons, you could easily spend a few hours in the shop. Do you recognize this bag? Actually, you can make your own instead of buying it from Antiprima. You can also make your own tote bag. Look at the fine details. The shop carries a good selection of fabric too. Another craft store that I would highly recommend is the Tokyo Hands. It has shops in Shinjuku and Ginza. Tokyo Hands sells different kinds of craft supplies and leather supplies, as well as a lot of different household items. Tokyo Hands has quite a big leather supplies section. Look at all the leather care products. The color dye seems pretty easy to use. I have wanted to try playing with silver clay, but I do not have an oven for this purpose. The shop also sells different types of clay. Look at all the scissors and rotary cutters. This is made of resin. If you happen to have a layover somewhere close to the Narita airport, remember to visit the Eon Mall. This shop is a must visit, Pandora House. This shop also sells different types of craft supplies. I was so tempted to buy 3 meters home. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.